If you are taking Reatrutide and suddenly alcohol feels different, you're not imagining it. I don't drink alcohol myself, but from working with hundreds of people and reading all of my comments, most people say they lose interest in drinking, they get drunk faster, they feel way more nauseous, or they wake up feeling absolutely wrecked after only a couple of drinks. And the crazy thing is, researchers are now looking at GLP-1 medications not just for fat loss, but potentially for addiction and reward behaviors too. So in this video, I'm going to break down what Reatrutide actually does, why alcohol feels different on it, whether it's dangerous, and what's actually happening in the brain and the body in simple English. Before I jump into this video, if you like learning about peptides, performance science, optimization, and the science behind how this stuff actually works in real world language, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss future videos. I break this stuff down in a way that's easy to understand without watering down the science. And as a quick disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, this is not medical advice, and Reatrutide is considered a research compound. Let's get into it. The first thing is, what is Reatrutide? And Reatrutide is basically the overachiever of the GLP world. Most people know about compounds like semaglutide and tirzepatide. Reatrutide hits three different pathways: the GLP-1, the GIP, and glucagon receptors. That combination can dramatically impact appetite, it can impact blood sugar, it can impact your calorie intake, your energy expenditure, and your body weight. And in studies, people lost an insane amount of weight compared to older medications. But here's where things get interesting. These pathways don't only affect hunger, they also affect your dopamine, they affect rewards, they affect your cravings, impulsive behavior, and even addictive tendencies. And that's where alcohol enters the conversation. Why do some people want alcohol less while on Reatrutide? A lot of people notice something weird on GLP-1 medications. They simply stopped craving alcohol, not because they're forcing themselves not to drink, they just don't care about it anymore. And researchers think part of this may involve the brain's reward circuitry. Normally, alcohol spikes dopamine. That dopamine hit reinforces the behavior and makes your brain go, hey, let's do that again. But GLP-1 receptor activity appears to influence the brain that's tied to reward, motivation, and compulsive behavior. So some researchers believe these compounds may blunt the reward value of alcohol. And basically, in simple terms, the excitement isn't hitting the same anymore. And that's one of the coolest things that's happening with this entire category of compounds right now. Why alcohol can feel worse on Reatrutide. Now, let's talk about why drinking can feel brutal on this stuff. Number one, Reatrutide slows gastric emptying, meaning food and liquid leave the stomach slower. So alcohol may sit in the stomach longer and can cause it to hit a little differently. That can increase nausea, it can increase bloating, acid reflux. If you have that problem, it's going to probably increase stomach discomfort and vomiting in some people. The second thing, people on Reatrutide often eat way less food overall. That means you may be drinking with less food in your system. And if you combine lower calories with dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, and alcohol, you can feel horrible very quickly. Side effects are going to be things like dizziness, headaches, worse hangovers, fatigue, and feeling intoxicated way faster than expected. The next thing we're going to talk about is blood sugar and metabolism. Alcohol itself can also increase blood sugar swings, and Reatrutide is heavily involved in glucose regulation and insulin signaling. Now add alcohol on top of that, binge drinking or drinking without food, and things can get messy fast. Blood sugar can drop and lead to shakiness, low energy, reactive hunger, poor recovery, and unstable blood sugar feelings. And remember, just because alcohol fits your calories doesn't mean it's helping your goals. Alcohol can absolutely destroy your sleep quality. It can ruin your muscle recovery, your training performance, your testosterone production, and fat oxidation. So if somebody says, why am I stalled even though I'm on Reatrutide, but they're drinking heavily every weekend, that may be part of the answer. Now we're going to jump into the addiction and dopamine conversation, and this is where the connection starts to click. Researchers are now studying GLP-1 medications for things beyond obesity. There's growing interest around alcohol use disorder, nicotine cravings, and addictive behavior patterns. There was a landmark 2025 clinical trial using semaglutide that showed significantly reduced weekly alcohol cravings, and they consumed less alcohol during laboratory self-administration procedures compared to those on a placebo. Now, we need way more research before making super huge claims that this is going to be an addiction cure, but the theory is interesting and some studies are very promising because addiction and overeating both heavily involve dopamine. They both heavily involve reward prediction, cravings and impulsive behavior, and reinforcement loops. GLP-1s basically turn the volume in the brain down. Less food noise, less craving noise, and less impulsive reward chasing. And so then there's the question, should you drink alcohol on Reatrutide? And here's the realistic answer. Some people tolerate alcohol fine in moderation. others feel absolutely terrible on it. The smarter move is start slow. If you're going to drink alcohol, monitor your response. Make sure you stay hydrated and keep your electrolytes up. Don't assume your tolerance is the same as it was before. And I'm going to be blunt with you. If your goal is fat loss, better health, performance, recovery, or longevity, alcohol probably works against those goals more than most people want to admit, especially combined with aggressive dieting. So in closing, Reatrutide is way more than just an appetite suppressant, and we're probably only scratching the surface of what these compounds are really capable of. Let me know in the comments, have you noticed alcohol affecting you differently on GLP-1s or Reatrutide?